Hello guys, so today we are going to make healthy banana oats muffin. For banana oats muffin, these are the following ingredients which we'll be requiring. It's all-purpose flour, eggs, banana, oats, vanilla extract, milk, baking powder and maple syrup. I'm using maple syrup instead of sugar. You can use sugar, or if you don't have maple syrup then you can use honey also to make this healthy muffin. So let's start. So my first step is I'm going to grind oats, 1 cup of milk and 1 banana. It's approx 1 full cup of oats. This particular ingredients are going to make 6 muffins. You can increase or decrease the amount of ingredients according to the muffins you want to make. Pour is ready, and now I will shift this mixture into a glass bowl. Now after pouring this particular mixture in bowl, I'll take a sieve and we'll put the all-purpose flour in it, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now we'll just pour all these ingredients in our mixture. So as you can see, these are little lumps of the flour. We are not going to use it in our cake batter. Now in this another bowl, I have taken 2 eggs and we'll beat it. We'll beat it till it will have the good consistency, so that it can help in baking. We'll beat it to remove all the lumps. So basically you have to beat it for 3 to 4 minutes until there will be a bubble formation in this particular egg. Now as you can see, the bubble formation has started. We'll beat it for another half minute. Now it's ready, and we'll pour this egg into our cake batter mixture. So now my cake batter mixture is ready. I have mixed the eggs in the batter. Now I'll be using whipped butter, 1 spoon of whipped butter. It's you can use any butter. It should be unsalted, and you can use normal butter also if you want. So I was having this at home, so I'm using this butter. My butter is little thick as I just took it off from the freezer, so I have to just whisk it properly so that it can mix well. Try to use warm butter before putting it into this batter. I did little mistake. I should warm it before using it, but it's okay. I have to do a little more labor as I have to whisk it properly. So I'm gonna whisk it until my butter gets melted properly in this batter. So now as I can see, my butter has been melted. It took little more time for me to whisk it so as my butter to get melt. So now in this mixture I am using maple syrup. So it's approx 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Again, you can increase and decrease the amount of ingredient according to the number of muffins or cake you are going to make. So I'm going to make 6 to 7 muffins, so I have used 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. If you are using sugar, then you should use 1 full cup of sugar, or if you are using this honey, then you have to use approx 4 to 5 tablespoons of honey. Now in this I'll add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay, I'll just mix it again. I didn't use sugar because it's a healthy muffin. I don't want to use sugar. So this particular cake can be eaten or can be consumed by the people who are having diabetic but love to eat sweet. I don't have to use much maple syrup also because it's already have banana and banana has its natural sweetness. So we don't need much sweetener to make this cake sweet. Now my baking tray is ready. I have just put the muffin covers in it and I'll pour the batter. So now my baking tray is ready. I'll just remove this extra one. And now I'll garnish my muffins with little fruits and nuts. I'll just drop little nut in each of my muffin. Okay. So now my muffins are ready to be baked. I have preheated my oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and we are going to bake it for approx 30 minutes at that particular temperature. Now my muffins are ready to be baked. I have preheated my oven at 400 degree Fahrenheit and we are going to bake this muffin for 30 minutes, between 25 to 30 minutes. So as you all can see, muffins are inside the oven and these are going to be baked soon. So I'm going to bake them for approx 30 minutes. And now as you all can see, my muffins are puffed and will be soon completely baked. So now my muffins are ready. I have baked them for approx 30 minutes as I have earlier told. So now I'll take just a toothpick and just put it inside to check that, oh wow, these are baked completely well. So yes, now our healthy muffins are ready to be served.